This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Today we are going to find words with the short E sound. The short E sound is eh, like the beginning sound in ed, the elephant. Say this sound with me. Eh. To make this sound, my mouth opens just a little bit. Eh. We hear the short E sound in the middle of many words, like the word pet. Listen. Pet. Or in the word red. Listen. Red. Let's listen to two words. Net. Nut. Which one has the short E sound eh? Let's break apart each word and listen for the vowel sound. Net. N, e, t. Nut. N, t. When I say net, I hear eh. When I say nut, I hear Net has the vowel sound eh, which is the short E sound. We found the word we were looking for. Let's listen to some more words. Ball, bell. Which word has the short E sound eh? Let's tap it out to listen to the sounds. Ball, b, a, l. Bell, b, e, l. Bell has the short E sound eh in the middle. B, e, l. Now let's listen to three words and find the one with the short E sound. I know you can do it. Mat, bag, jug. Let's listen for the vowel sound. Mat, m, a, t. Bag, b, e, g. Jug, j, g. I heard a lot of vowel sounds. Did you hear the eh sound? Bag has the eh sound. Listen again. B, e, g. The word bag has the short E vowel sound eh. You did great listening for the short E sound eh. Now you're ready to find more short E words.
Head over to IXL.com for more practice on this skill and thousands more videos in math and language arts.